Hey, it's Music Jeff. Today we're going to play a guessing game called What Is That Sound? I have a bunch of different instruments here, but you won't be able to see them. I want you to try to listen to them really carefully and guess what instruments I have. Let's give it a try. What is that sound? What do you hear? What is that sound? Listen with your ears. Alright, let's try our first sound. Listen very carefully. What's that sound? Is it a tambourine or a drum? That's right, it's a drum. What is that sound? What do you hear? Alright, let's try a different instrument now. What's that sound? Is it a guitar or a tambourine? That's right, it's a tambourine. What is that sound? What do you hear? Let's try another one. What's that sound? Is that a maraca or is that a piano? That's right, it's a maraca. What is that sound? Listen with your ears. Okay, let's try another one here. What's that sound? Is it a guitar or jingle bells? That's right, it's jingle bells. What is that sound? What do you hear? Alright, let's try this one. What's that sound? Is it a piano or a guitar? That's right, it's a guitar. What is that sound? What do you hear? What is that sound? Listen with your ears. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed our guessing game. What is that sound?